So I chose China as my country for the IoT project. So there's honestly a plethora of possible IoT utilizations in China that can pose solutions to the UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The first Sustainable Development Goal that I'm going to talk about is good health and well-being. So IoT will be incorporated into healthcare operations in China to better facilitate communications between hospitals, ambulances, helicopters, and a lot more healthcare areas. So specifically, an example of this an IoT device that would be implemented into the healthcare sector is Life Alert systems. So what Life Alert is it's a wearable portable alarm system that connects to the healthcare network, and it makes it where vulnerable patients can page medical attention at the press of a button, even if they're home. So this is just one example of IoT's implementation in the healthcare sector. So the next SDGs that I'm going to talk about are clean water and clean energy. So the way that IoT could help China to better find a solution to the SDGs of clean water and clean energy are IoT sensors could be placed in the water and electrical meters to help the government better understand water and energy needs by district. So this would give the government a better idea of the consumption rates per area of China and help them to better distribute the assets. Also, industry innovation is another SDG I wanted to talk about. So industries will be innovated in China by IoT by placing communication devices and sensors along supply chains, automating duties that are traditionally done by human labor, which will cut down on costs and minimize human error. Lastly, IoT tech can tackle the SDG of climate control. And this can be done by placing IoT sensors like cameras and air quality testers, as well as like humidity testers and weather devices in areas where environmental change is expected to happen. This way, once these trends of environmental change and climate change start to happen, the country can take environmentally sustainable action as quick as possible in order to minimize climate change and make the public aware of these threats. So that's all I have for the SDG solutions of IoT tech in China.